Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this beautiful deep pink lip plumper. You guys are in for a treat. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Alright, lipstick besties, before we jump into today's video, I just want to share a spotlight on one of our lipstick besties by the name of Kennedy. Kennedy has a website and her own cosmetic line that goes by the name of Kennedy's Corner. This young lady is the epitome of resilience. Kennedy lives with cerebral palsy and she lost her mother early on to gun violence. Her mother's name is Deisha and she is now raised by her grandmother Leanna, who seen a spark in Kennedy when she was putting on some lip gloss taking Kennedy to school one morning. Kennedy got really excited about the lip gloss and her grandmother decided to start her own cosmetic line. When I tell you the marketing is top tier, Kennedy gets excited when it comes to getting ready for her sales, getting ready for her marketing campaigns, and just overall has an incredible love for lip gloss. So you guys go and show Kennedy some love by supporting her at kennedyscorner.org, as well as going to her Instagram and giving her a follow at Kennedy's Corner 31. We love you, Kennedy. I also have to send a special thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. They sent me two lovely scents. The first scent is a powdery peach, and it is inspired by the Jimmy Choo fragrance, I Want You. And when I tell you, this scent smells so clean, it gives velvety peach. It smells really sweet. So if you're into sweet scents, this is for you. It smells really, really nice. And the next one is the Creed Aventus. This is inspired by Creed Aventus, and the name of the scent on Dossier's website is called Musky Oak Moss. And this one is a masculine scent, so if you're into masculine scents, you will love this. I love this. This is the second time that I chose this scent from Dossier. Right now they're having a big holiday sale, and they are also available for retail in Walmart, so be sure to check them out. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be making a lip plumper, as I mentioned before. And you guys, I'm so excited to share this new technique with you. As you can see in the back, I have my liquid colorant, my liquid concentrate that I made on my Patreon as an exclusive. And right next to it, you see some lip plumping oil, which I also made on Patreon. So you guys can join my Patreon for a small pledge of $5 per month, and you'll gain access to all of my archive and future recipes, along with Patreon member discounts and all of those other goodies. So you guys be sure to go ahead and check it out. And I just want to send a special shout out to all my current patrons. I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much, as being a member of my Patreon definitely helps the growth of this channel and the overall company. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. So to my bowl, I got some Versagel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding in the lip plumper oil. By adding the lip plumper oil, it's going to make our lip gloss feel very luxurious, rejuvenating, and like an overall spa day for the lips. It reminds me of the Burt's and Bees medicated lip balm, as well as some Carmex. It feels really good on the lips, and the only difference is that it's not a balm or a chapstick, it's a gloss. So it's gonna really come in the clutch for these cold winter months ahead, when you want to have a beautiful lip gloss with a nice color and also a lip plumping effect, because it has a cooling, tingling sensation but not too overpowering, just right, especially when it's cold outside or if your lips are dry and you just need to kind of like rejuvenate your lips. This is going to be the perfect addition to your cosmetic bag or your cosmetic line. When I tell you I'm in love, I really want to go in and make this an option for all of my lip glosses. But yes, definitely the lip plumper oil is a new favorite for me. So here I am now just mixing the oil into the Versagel until everything is incorporated evenly, and you'll start to see the texture of the gel thinning out just like so. So I'm just going to continue to mix until everything is incorporated. Now for this beautiful liquid concentrate, it is actually Dayton in my line. I have a color that goes by the name of Dayton, so I just made a liquid concentrate in the form of Dayton versus a lipstick. And this was actually inspired and requested by one of my patrons named Marquita. Hey girl. And instead of just making a date and gloss, I was like, you know what? I want to add something new, something different. So we decided to combine the two and make a lip plumping lip gloss. And this deep pink is going to be perfect. It goes with any outfit. It looks good on just about anyone. So yes, I am just about done here. So what I'm going to do is, I noticed that the texture was a little thick. So I'm going back in with some more lip plumping oil just to thin it out just a little bit, just so that it's not too thick and it glides on perfectly on our lips. And right after that, I'm going to go in with the Preservative Cap 2. You can grab this from TKB, and I'm just using 1 drop only. And then I'm also going to be adding some vitamin E, and I'm going to be using 2 drops of the vitamin E to our lip plumper today. And that's that. And then I'm just going to mix everything in really well. So here I am just drawing the product up into a syringe. This is like a 10 milliliter syringe. The texture was thin enough for me to draw it up from the front, so I just kept pulling back the end of the syringe, and then I clipped off a pipette from the front end and the back end and added that to the syringe. And then I fill up my bottle, and I'm leaving a space. Be sure to leave that space because it's very important. Otherwise, your wand wouldn't go in. And kind of just move your wand up and down, and the product will self-rise. But you guys, this is our lip plumper. I'm going to apply it right now. And of course, if you want more color coverage, feel free to add more of that LC to it. I feel like this is good. I wanted to make like an everyday look, so mine's is kind of sheer, but it's tingling, you guys. I felt it. But most definitely, if you want it to be more of a full coverage, definitely add some more, or a more opaque color, definitely add some more of the LC to your gloss. But I am happy with this. This looks really, really well. It feels amazing. It feels so comfortable. It's not like overly or overpowering or like a super tingling sensation. It's just so, it's perfect, and it has the right amount of tingle that I'm looking for, and it's just rejuvenating my lips. And as time went on, my lips actually did appear fuller. Like right here, it appears fuller, and I am so happy. I'm happy with the way it turned out. You guys, let me know if you decide to try this, and let me know how it turns out for you. Until next time, stay blessed.